Welcome back, fellow developer, to another episode of Next.js series. Today, we are ready to take the plunge into the world of private folder in Next.js. So, stay tuned and let's dive in. In our last video, we delved into efficient file collocation, a built-in feature in Next.js. Today, let's unravel the mysteries of private folders. A powerful tool Next.js provides for smart project organization. A private folder signals that it's an internal implementation and not part of routing consideration. To create one, simply add an underscore before the folder name. Let me demonstrate. Navigate to VS Code and within the app folder, craft a new one called underscore live. Inside house utility function like my.ts. Now focus on upcoming page.tsx file. The underscore its status as a private folder, making it unroutable. Typing access to localhost 3000 underscore live, we yield a 404 error. Private folder offer benefit such as separating UI logic from routing, organize internal file consistently, and avoiding conflicts with feature Next.js file conversation. A quick note: for an underscore in URLs, use %5f in the folder name. Now try this and share your results in the comments. In our next video, we'll explore another Next.js feature. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next coding adventure.